We're gonna explore a few activities of Automa Desktop RPA tool. Let's see first use case. I run here workflow. First it will select a user, Chrome, then open here Google, and then Facebook, and then switch on Google. Then type here text and click on Google search. After Google search, then mouse over on Google app and then close this. And now we'll move on one by one these activities. First, open web page. In open web page, here are two parameters: built-in browser or use your window browser like a Chrome or Microsoft Edge. I'll move with the built-in browser. Type here URL and done. When you will open this tab, this will store as a variable on web page. You can use this web page as a context of your Google. By fill text, you will fill here text. Here is web page object. For context, in target you will select here element. Click on select capture element and choose here element. To choose your element, press here Ctrl Shift and click on your element. On click, you will get this window and press on done. And now type here text which you want to put. After it, press on done and then click element. Same as a fill text field, we'll select here context of page and then select target element. Click on capture. Click on capture, Ctrl Shift and select here element. After selection, press on done. And now hover mouse over effect. Paste here and choose your context. Select target, capture element, Ctrl Shift and select your element. Press on done. I'll paste here wait activity just for little bit delay and then close web page. In close web page, it's specifying web page. Close specify web page or close all web pages. You can choose here your context and done. I'll close built-in browser and run this activity. It's working fine and perfect. And now I'll move just a little bit on another way, that's select user. Paste here select user in Google Chrome browser and here will be available profile. And now press on done. After choose this browser, I also replace here open web page browser Chrome and now press on done. Now it will open in a specific profile which is already onto your PC and then repeat all the process going with the mouse move. I hope you understand all these activities.